In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can view archived emails in Gmail. So this process is very straightforward and simple. It's not going to take up too much of your time. So let's just get straight into it. I'm just going to open up the Gmail app and you can see I have some emails in my inbox. I'm just going to archive one by holding on it, long pressing down on the actual email subject line. Then at the top of the screen, you'll notice this button there. That's the archive button. If I tap on that, it says one archived at the bottom. Now to view your archived emails, just tap on those three horizontal lines at the top left-hand corner and you'll get your primary, social, promotions, and then all these labels. The one you want to tap on is this all email or all mail button there where it says 38, and this is going to show you all your mail, and this one I think is the one I just archived. Yeah, so that's the one I just archived. You can open it up and read the email, and that's how you view all your emails. You can scroll through and just check everything like that. So that's pretty much it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.